Hi guys, I forgot to record a video before we start. We just start a new house in Northwest, and as you can see, there's a lot of damage in the plywood. So we are going to change the plywood and put the new sheets everywhere, new shingle, and fix all the issue in this roof. See, for example, the roofer before, he didn't put starter on the edge, he put shingle, and also he put it in the wrong way. So it should be this side from out, not the other way. Why? Because there's a glue here, and when we put starter, we put starter here, and also the starter, it has a glue on the edge. Then the shingle above, it will stuck here, and even if it become windy, it's not gonna rip out, take off. So this is just a garbage. There's no any benefit from that. We will record later after we finish and start installing the plywood. It's really old and really bad plywood. Okay, see you guys. Hi guys, we just finished this side. We installed the plywood, new plywood. We removed the old one, and we put ice and water sheet, drop edge, then paper, then starter, shingle, finish everything. We glue all the nails, we glue around the vents, around the chimney vent and everything. And here we are removing the old one. As you can see, the damage in the plywood in the old one. See, you can hear the crack. It's so bad. It's really bad. And it's so soft also. We are going to finish this house properly by tomorrow. You see the damage? It's so bad. As you can see, we are going to fix everything. Even the 2x6 has got damage, but to change that one, this is big thing. Whatever, it's an old house anyway, you know. Hi guys, this is Majd again from Rock Roof Masters Ltd. We just finished this house. We are just gluing the nails and cleaning everything. As you can see, all done. So let's start from here. We changed the plywood and we put new plywood, and then we put timberline gaff shingle. As you can see, everything straight, because always we use chalk line to keep our job clean, nice and clean. So even here all done, all new shingle. We are just going to glue the nails, the rest of the nails, and we are cleaning down also. All the gutters are finished, are clean. We are going to glue these nails here. You see the gutters are clean, all done, straight. Also, we put the glue around all the vents. We hide all the nails which we cannot cover it by shingle, like here for example, the bottom one. We put the glue around to make sure it's waterproof. And this is the capping. We put gaff brand for the vent. Thanks so much. If you're looking for someone, yeah, by the way, again, what we did, just to review again, we put, after the new plywood, we put ice and water sheet, then we put drop edge, then we put paper, then we put the shingle. So everything new. Thanks so much, guys. If you're looking for someone to who you can trust to do your roof and to do clean job, nice job, proper job, not like shitty one, just call me back at 587-432-5450. Majd Rock Roof Masters Ltd. Thank you so much. Bye bye.